everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just an absolutely wicked awesome 1967 Chevrolet K10 lifted four-wheel drive pickup truck. Awesome, man. That's all you can really say, man. Fun truck to drive. Got a wicked cool 383 blueprint crate engine underneath the hood. Great sound. Love the stance. This is my buddy Scott, actually is the one who did the striping on this. This is a Sport Bird striping package that he has made custom fit this truck. Gorgeous truck, Georgia truck. They said it was restored about a year and a half ago. It was a frame-off restoration. So there's very few miles on the truck since it's been done. And then the striping, the wheels and tires, the interior, all that stuff is actually brand spanking new, just done. BF Goodrich Mud Terrain TAs all the way around it. It's got 15 by 10 US mags. Finished in a torch red. It's got a charcoal leather interior in it. And man, you want to talk about fun to drive. I think they said it's a 4-inch lift kit. But man, this thing draws attention. I mean, I just took it and blew it down the road. Man, everybody just thumbs up and going crazy. I love stuff like this because I just think, man, it's just so different. Wait till we fire this thing up, man. When you pull into a car show, this thing's going to draw attention. Slick paint, good solid straight Georgia body. Again, really one of one custom stripe kit on it. It's got a cowl hood. We do have the wipers for it, guys. They need to be clocked. I don't want somebody turning them on and scratching the paint. Looks like new front bumper. I noticed the rear bumper's got a couple little marks in it. Pretty truck, man. I don't know if you can see up there. It's got the correct GM mirrors on it. Again, all new charcoal leather seat in there. It's just a bug on there if you're seeing it. All steel truck. It's got the custom oak bed in there with the stainless slats. Look at this thing, man. How much fun is this thing going to be to drive? Like I said, I took it a few blocks down the road and people were going crazy. We parked it out front and hell, everybody comes in here to look at it. Fun truck, man. Great stance, great sound. Yeah, there's a couple little marks on there. Killer wheel and tire package on it. And again, this is a Sport Bird striping package, but this was custom done by a buddy of ours down in Tennessee. He's the one who got me the truck. Killer wheels and tires. Truck's very nice underneath. It looks like it's got Fox body shocks on it. I think he said it's a 4-inch lift. Front disc brakes. That truck is cool right there. Healthy. 383 blueprint crate engine stroker motor in it. It's got a Holley dual feed 4-barrel. Blueprint aluminum heads, aluminum intakes. It's got headers. Power steering. It's got power front disc brakes. Again, it is a 4-wheel drive, 350 turbohdyramatic trans. It's got those really cool Billet Chevrolet valve covers on it. Power steering, I think I said that. Aluminum radiator with electric fan. We have a little show that's coming in town in the next couple of days. I'm going to let my wife's girlfriend drive this truck. She loves stuff like this, and I'll let her drive it. over to the car show. Good solid body, pretty paint. You're seeing that, that's just probably a little tire dressing. Again, we do have the wipers for it, they're just not properly clocked. I don't want the paint getting scratched up. Looks like new door handles. Door seams are nice and clean. Again, this interior is all new charcoal leather, new door pads. Tearing the door seal there. Really comfortable seat. Again, that's brand spanking new. Sport steering wheel showing 59,650. That's supposed to be the right miles on the truck. Tacking gauges. Everything up here works except for the temp and the oil pressure gauge are down below. I couldn't get the radio to come on. Blower motor does work. Padded dash. Good sounding dual exhaust. It is a 12 bolt 373 limited slip rear end in the rear, and then it is a Dana 44 in the front. Oh, this thing is so cool. Clean underneath. It's just a good looking truck right there. Dash is nice, clean. Truck hits the road good. Like I said, I didn't put a ton of miles on it, put a couple miles on it. I know my buddy Scott, he drove it for a couple of days. Said it really hit the road good. Nasty 3D3. Tipped a little bit of a wander with a lifted truck, but nice and tight. Truck hits its ours too, man. Oh, that's gonna be fun. Nice little cam to it. Hits good. Tach works. Fuel gauge works. Like I say, the battery gauge is up here. The other gauges are down below. Much fun. I couldn't get that to come on. Holds good oil pressure. Again, blower motor does work. And make sure the wipers get clocked. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram, our Facebook page, our TikTok page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. Oh, that thing's just good. So cool. Have a great day, guys.